Hey guys, it's Craig here at CRC. So the TRX4 Bronco, it's been out for a little over a month now, maybe two. It's April 20 something, 2018. Anyway, so there's been a few body accessories that I wanted to get for this thing, but they've been kind of hard to find, and I finally got a hold of them. So first one is the push bumper that goes up here on the front bumper. There's the part number. This one I actually got straight from Trx4. Maybe you guys already know this, but you can buy direct from Trx4 if you just Google buy Trx4. It'll take you to a website, has all the parts for all their vehicles. So I got this one from them. Showed up 2 days later in the mail, quick shipping. So we're gonna throw that guy on there. The other one is this bad boy, spare tire cover. Doesn't actually cover a tire, it's just a plastic, look-alike, but it's gonna end up back here on the back. This one I got from A-Main Hobbies. There's the part number. I believe Trx4 is back ordered on these right now, but if you watch this video soon, maybe you can get one from A-Main. It was back ordered. I did have to wait, 3 weeks I guess for this to finally show up, but apparently they got some in stock. So in this video we are going to mount these up and take a look at it. So get the camera set up and we'll get started on that. So from the looks of this part, push bumper, seems fairly simple. Open it up, and the way it looks like it works is it just hooks around the bumper, and then there's a little set screw that holds it in place. So you can see that shape. It'll hook on the bumper, and then there's a screw that goes through here to hold it. So let's see, how does it go? I have to take the bumper off. I don't know. Oh, I was wrong. See these holes? That's where your screws go through. So I just have to figure out how the hell this thing hooks around the bumper. Ah! So it just kind of snaps in on the top. Get it in the right place. Snaps in, just like that. I do need to slide it over a little and line it up, but that's basically it. Hook the top first, roll it down, it snaps in, and then your little, whatever these guys are, whatever size, they'll screw in through these holes into the actual bumper mount here. So let me get my holes lined up and then I'll show you. Okay, so I'm pretty well centered there. My holes are pretty good and lined up, but if you notice, this thing is a little flexible. You can kind of squeeze your holes here in or out if you're a little bit off. So then from there you take your two set screws and it should just screw right in. Maybe I'm a little bit off. Whoops. So anyway, I'll get these 2 screws in, and that's all there is to it. One thing I was going to mention for you guys that have maybe the Defender Trx4 and you really want a Bronco edition, on that Buy Traxxas website I did notice that they have a body kit on there. It gives you the Bronco body, it gives you this push bar, gives you this the spare tire mount, it gives you the rear body posts so you can actually put the body on. It also has both color stickers. It has the red, like I have, and it has the Sunset Edition. So it has everything you'll need for this Bronco edition, and it's like 160 bucks. So rather than go out and buy another Trx4 that's the Bronco edition, you could just go with that body. Gives you everything you need, and it gives you these kind of hard to find parts. So I thought that was pretty cool. If I had already owned a Trx4, I think I would have just done that, because there's no real difference in the trucks, just the body. And oh, it also gave the wheel wells, the fenders that mount to the frame instead of the body. So pretty cool, I thought. Man, this screw does not want to go in. What's going on here? Whoops. Nope. Bad attitude. Okay, I'll deal with that later. Basically, you guys get the idea. So there it is. Looks pretty good. Fits real tight to the grill. I like it. Looks good. Makes it look even beefier. So let me get that last screw in, and then we'll talk about the spare tire carrier. Okay guys, there it is, the front push bumper. Super simple install, 2 screws on the bottom. Turns out looking pretty cool. I like it. Now, when it comes to the spare tire mount, 8074 part number. Now this takes a little bit of doing. So if you can see these notched holes, there's one there, there's one down here in the red, I think right there, and then there's 2 over here on the sides. So what you've got to do is take your body reamer, pop these holes out, and then you kind of have to put this thing together, and it actually mounts to the body. But at this point, I was really excited about getting this thing, but now that I have it, I think I'm gonna wait. I like the way it looks. Might just leave it that way. I don't know. Or maybe I'll throw it on, because you can always take it back off, right? So, for the moment, I think I'm gonna wait. Because Got the front push bumper on. Looks cool. So yeah, I think that'll wrap up this video. Maybe I'll make another one later for the spare tire mount. So again, 8074 is the spare tire part number. And where'd the other one go? There it is. 8066 front push bumper. Traxxas has this. A-Main Hobbies has that. And yeah, so thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. And I'll see you on the next time.